Back in November, we reported how the WhatsApp update for Windows 11 was acting sluggish. A slowdown with longer launch times, choppy scrolling in busy chats, late message rendering, and overall performance drops was brought to notice. What Meta changed under the hood was the WebView 2 wrapper, with the app loading the web version of WhatsApp inside a Chromium-based shell. The app became memory hungry as higher RAM usage began to be pointed out. Then, at a gap of a few weeks, users started screaming about forced logouts tied with the new web wrapper update. The notification pretty much confirmed that it's going to be a web app from now on, essentially making the desktop app a glorified browser running web.whatsapp.com. At that time also, it was pointed out how the app's RAM usage just went from an average 100 to 200 MBs into 1.5 to 2 gigs, and how it was making things noticeably slower. But with the web wrapper here to stay, there wasn't any going back. Cut to now, the rollout is expanding significantly. While Meta hasn't officially announced any architectural changes, users are definitely feeling it as the community is flooded with frustrated posts. Constant logouts, sluggish performance, and excessive RAM consumption are being reported. So what can you actually do about this? Well, rolling back to an older version is one of the options. But that's a temporary solution, and that's the reason why we hope Meta addresses the performance concerns before more users abandon the desktop experience altogether.